Once again, welcome to Herbal Journey, your entrance to the fascinating world of herbs and holistic health. Today, we set off on an amazing journey with the powerful plant fenugreek. This herb is more than simply delicious culinary ingredient, it's a key to a fitter, healthier you. Join us as we investigate the miracles of weight loss and learn about the numerous health advantages of fenugreek. Fenugreek for losing weight. Let's start with fenugreek's excellent benefits for weight loss and how to use it. Tea made from fenugreek seeds. Begin by crushing the seeds. For 1 cup of tea, a teaspoon of smashed seeds are required. To smash the fenugreek seeds, it's best to use a mortar and pestle or a hand grinder. In case you don't have both, you may use your kitchen grinder just for few seconds. Now, place the crushed seeds into a cup and add hot water, let it steep for 10 to 15 minutes. Your fabulous weight loss tea is ready. You may add a teaspoon of honey to sweeten the tea. Regularly consuming fenugreek tea can improve your efforts to lose weight by lowering calorie consumption and controlling appetite. Fenugreek Water. Fenugreek water should be consumed on an empty stomach for the best and simplest technique to control weight reduction. To prepare this water, you will require a spoonful of fenugreek seeds to be left to soak for the night in a glass of water, and sip this water on an empty stomach the following morning. And if you are able to chew or swallow the already soft and sensitive fenugreek seeds, that will provide you an added advantage. Drinking this water will assist you in controlling your blood sugar levels in addition to helping you lose weight. For people interested in weight loss and dealing with diabetes at the same time, may consider it as a gift from the nature. Regular consumption of fenugreek water may help reduce LDL, that is bad cholesterol levels, and enhance general heart health. Type 2 diabetes may be managed with a daily dose of 10 grams of fenugreek seeds steeped in hot water. If you already use diabetes medication, it is best to avoid consuming fenugreek seeds. You now have the wonderful fenugreek. This herb offers a wide range of potential benefits, whether you're trying to lose weight or improve your general well-being. Remember, it is essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it as a treatment for any specific illness. Fenugreek should not replace the conventional medical treatments when needed. Thank you for joining us on this episode of Herbal Journey. If you found this information inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Stay tuned for more herbal wisdom on your path to a healthier, happier you.